Layout Property tab within Widgets lets you specify your options for your widget. To access the Layout Property tab for your widget, mouse over your widget, select the down arrow and select Settings. Then, select Layout Properties. The options in this tab will vary based on the widgets that you have selected. Let's take a look at some options that are common across most widgets. First, we have Alignment. Alignment allows you to specify the alignment of the content inside your widget. Next is Width. The Width options will let you specify the width of the content inside your widget. Next is Margin. Margin lets you specify spacing around your widget. For example, the top margin, the bottom margin, or the left and right margin. Finally, you have Entrance Animation. Entrance Animation lets you specify an animation your widget will use when the page loads. For example, fade in or slide in from the right. To save your changes, click OK. And don't forget to save and publish.